What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I'm going to share a quick tip with you. I'll be right back. All right, so this is something that somebody had recommended to me, and I just wanted to share it with you because I've been eating this for probably about 3 months now. But this is a good addition to add if you're healthy enough to eat it, a good addition to add to your maybe to your arsenal, especially with muscle building and trying to get different ways of getting protein in. But this is one of the things that I do. And what I have here is I have some wild caught jumbo crab meat. Now you can also get some claw meat or some other different variations of it. But this is the jumbo the jumbo lump crab meat. And basically, what I do with this is I melt butter and then I add this too. Sometimes I'll warm this up in the microwave too. And I actually have a video here showing you how I prep mine. And please pardon the paper bowl there, but sometimes I just don't want to do dishes. But anyways, so this is how I prep it and get it ready, and it's a delicious snack, especially if you like crab meat or if you like seafood. But some of the benefits of this is that crab is actually rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and as well as vitamin B12 and folate and iron and niacin and selenium and zinc. There's 3 servings in here, and here a serving says it's about a half cup. So what I've come to find out is that half cup is, and what is listed on here is 17 grams of protein. Now a whole cup, that means a whole cup is 34 grams of protein. So if you go by the cup, it's 34 grams of protein and probably about 140 calories and no carbs. So you got no carbs in this. So what I usually do is I usually eat this with, I'll eat it and have a banana with it so I can get some carbs in there with it. And if you guys have been following my videos when I'm talking about protein and stuff, I like to have carbs for my protein so my body doesn't use the protein for energy. I want the protein for muscle building and the carbs to be used for energy. So I'll eat a banana with it and then have this here for the protein content. But one of the things that's really cool but weird about crab meat is you'll see that it says that it's got a half gram of fat, but crab meat is said to be high in omega-3 fatty acids, right? So it's polyunsaturated fatty acids, which I guess for crab meat, it doesn't register as fat. So if some of you guys out there that know anything more about this, please go ahead and comment. But some of the benefits, continue on with the benefits of crab meat, is it improves heart health because of the omega-3 fatty acids may lower triglycerides and reduce blood clotting and make it less likely for you to develop an irregular heartbeat because of all the nutrients that are in crab meat. Also, some research suggests that people who eat seafood such as crab at least once per week may have a reduced risk of developing dementia or Alzheimer's disease. Right, and I believe that's contributed because of the omega-3 fatty acids contribute to the reduced likelihood of that. And so that's just what some research says. Now, some of the downsides to crab meat is, especially when you get it like this, is that it could be high in sodium because this is preserved because of it's contained as opposed to getting it fresh from the ocean, and bringing it to the table. And another possible downside to this is that it could be, because it is a seafood, it could be high in mercury, although crab meat is lower than other seafoods in mercury, but it still could be. If that's something you need to watch out for, then you may want to use caution if you decide to try to eat this, all right? So sodium and mercury are two. Could be some other metals too in there that are associated with seafood too that you may want to watch out for. But for me, and probably for most of you, if you're healthy, then this is a good alternative for you to have, and I just wanted to share it with you. So hopefully this helped you, this quick tip here. And I want to ask you guys, please make sure you subscribe, but please also, if you want to follow me on social media, you can follow me at thisisb_rob. Please go check out my website, thisisbrob.com. Also, check out my podcast. It's called Elevate to Great podcast. So if you want to improve your mindset and try to get 1% better each day, then definitely check me out there on my podcast. And what I want to ask you to do right now is please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully this helped you. This is B Rob.